Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 14.6 question number 5F, that is 135 degree. We shall draw angle of 135 degree, right? That means 135 degree means what is that? How to make 135 degree? 135 degree. That means you have to first make 90 degree plus 45 degree. That becomes 135 degree. That becomes 100. That is equal to 135 degree. Equal to 135 degree, right? First of all, with the help of a ruler, take a ruler first, draw a line, right? Now take any point on this here, at this point, right? Draw with the help of compass, draw an arc at taking this pointer at this point, right? Take an arc, draw an arc here, right? Now you have to make 90 degree. Take this longer one, length, we increases the length. Now let us take this point here, take this point here and draw an arc. You have to increase this one. Let us rub this one, right? We have to increase this one point. Let us take this point here, draw an arc, and taking this pointer at this point, draw another arc. Taking this point here, draw another arc, and that gives 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. With the help of ruler, draw this side, this gives us exactly 90 degree. Let us draw this line, right? This is 90 degree, and if you divide, if this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, now we'll bisect this angle 45 degree, right? With the help of this protractor, from this pointer, take this pointer here, make an arc here, take this pointer here, take this pointer at this point and make another arc, right? Then if we draw this line, this will be 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree, right? Draw, remove this one. Now find the scale. This is scale. You have to draw a line here and at this point, right? Now draw a line here, right? Now give the name. The name of this is, suppose the name is, this one is this arrow. We give this arrow here. We give the name, that is A, it is B, it is C, and this one is D point. Here you see that angle DBC, DBC is equal to 90 degree. DBC is equal to 90 degree, and angle ABD, angle ABD, ABD is equal to 45 degree, right? If we add both the angles, we are getting 90 plus 45, that is 135 degree. 135 degree. Therefore, you can say that angle ABC, angle ABC, ABC is equal to 135 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.